Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. And my desk. I don't normally have a desk here, but today I do because I'm gonna be sitting some boxes here and we're gonna be unboxing some new bags. I've got a Chanel bag, I've got a Fendi bag. I've never seen either one. I hope to goodness that I like them. I'm also gonna be revealing a new bag to you. I've been carrying it a while and I really love it. It's a Senrev bag. And I'm also going to be jumping into my computer and sharing with you some other sales, like some designer handbag sales, because I don't know if you guys know, I feel like a lot of you probably do know, but right now when this video goes live for like the next week, it's the handbag sales of the entire year. Everyone looks forward to this time. For the next week, you can save so much money on amazing bags. So I'm gonna be kind of sharing just my personal favorites and picks that you might wanna consider. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, just of everything that I talk about and I show in this video. So if you're new though, I'm Shay, hello. You should maybe consider subscribing. I mean, that'd be really cool. You can follow me on Instagram too. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the very first handbag reveal I have for you is a Senrev bag. I've had it for a few weeks now and I've been thoroughly enjoying it. It is their newest design. It's the Antigona bag. And I am a Senrev partner, so I'm very thankful. They do send me things from time to time. So they did send me this bag. Huge thank you to them. But I'm telling you guys, I promise you, I would not recommend this bag if I didn't absolutely love it and think the quality is exceptional. Like this is unbelievably high quality. The leather is fine Italian leather. Like this is produced in the hills of Tuscany. They sent this bag to me from Italy. It's just so nice and I love the chestnut color. All of their bags come in a lot of different colors, but I'm just so drawn to this beautiful camel leather. The best part of this bag though, it is a crossbody bag, which is my favorite style of bag, as many of you know. However, it is so convenient because if you just flip it around, you can literally just pull the straps and it instantly turns into a backpack. I mean, look at that. It is so cute and handy and convenient. It's also, you know, a top handle so you can carry it around like this or just instantly switch it back to a crossbody or a shoulder bag. I just absolutely love it. And it's so small, but it is kind of big in the fact that it holds a good amount. Like it's tiny but big at the same time. So let me just show you how you open it. It is a magnetic closure. You just open it like that and it is secure with a zipper closure, which you don't have to use necessarily. Like you could just leave it unzipped, but I do have mine zipped. And then when you open it, it is this beautiful micro suede lining. It's just so luxurious. And then the inside has another zipper compartment. It's very spacious and kind of deep. And then there is a nice little flap here that's actually pretty big too, and you can separate things that way. But I'm just every time I use it, I'm really surprised by how much stuff I can actually fit in it. And then to close it, you can, like I said, you can zip it back up, or sometimes I honestly just push the flap down. I just push it and then it automatically, it connects. It's actually really easy to get in and out of the bag. Oh my gosh, I have to say another thing that I am gonna buy myself. Like they don't need to send this to me. I'm gonna buy the additional strap that you can purchase and add on to this. I'll insert a picture of it. Oh my goodness, is it so beautiful? It's like a nylon like fabric strap. It's so in style, and all you do, you can actually remove this and just snap on that strap and it completely transforms this bag. But out of all of the bags that I have, I'll insert some of my others. There's the Maestra, that's really what got me hooked. They hold a lot. They have a lot of different sizes, but out of all of the bags, this one might be my favorite. I feel like it just checks so many boxes. So anyway, I do have a code if you happen to be interested in anything. It's Shay, and you will save $50 if you spend at least $300. So that's a pretty big savings. And then also I really encourage you guys to check my description box because like I said, this video is kind of all about sales and they do have some major sales going on for the next week. Depending on how much you spend, you can get a color block clutch or you could get a wave card case. You could also get a free chain. I think you could get a $100 credit. There's just a lot of different things. So anyways, I just really love their bags. I really think you guys will too. It really is a combination of their design and the quality. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the unboxings and I hope this goes well. For all you people out there saying that I don't like handbags anymore, look, three bags in one video. Okay, so this one is from Fashion File. So it's an older bag, but I have high hopes for this. So, you know, I love buying new bags, but sometimes I like buying them pre-loved. I go both ways, but this was impossible to pretty much buy it new. So it's a Fendi bag. Let me just open it. I guess it's in the Fashion File dust bag, which I think it comes with its own dust bag though. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's okay. Because I see it. It's what I've been wanting. Okay, so this is the Fendi. Oh my gosh, it's so much. It's honestly, it's better than I was expecting. It really is. Okay, it's the Fendi Zucca Baguette bag. It's like an older version. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just, I don't know. I've been seeing it on different people. It's a magnetic closure. You open it up. It's really, really good condition. There's a zipper compartment there. It's just like a nice shoulder bag, like kind of like an older style, but I've just been loving kind of like the vintage look. It's in really good condition. I honestly don't even remember what the condition said. I think it said very good, but I love Fashion File. They probably have some sales going on today too, so don't forget them. So anyway, this I'm thoroughly excited about. This is my second Fendi bag, and I've just been eyeing up this style. The baguette bag is super well known. Like they're known for this particular style bag, and it's kind of made like a resurgence, like a comeback. And yes, so that's a win. Very excited. The next one is, it's kind of like sketchy. I mean, I think I'm gonna love it. It again kind of has some vintage vibes. Let me just show you. Okay. So it is from Chanel. However, I did get it from somebody that I follow that resells bags. So it is an older bag. It definitely has vintage vibes again. So honestly, I feel like a lot of you could hate this bag. I might even hate this bag. I don't know. So let's just take a look at it. Fingers crossed it's all good and I like it. It's really just the style. I think the color is beautiful. I think I'm gonna love the style though. So here we have the receipt, the booklet, whatever. Let's move on. Here's the dust bag. Let's just take everything off the desk. Okay, let's see what it looks like. All right, I think I see the color. Yes, the color is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love the color. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so like I said, a lot of you might not love this, but this is from 2012. I think it's so unique and it's just different. You don't see this style all the time, but I also think, yes, you can change the straps. So this could be like a shoulder bag like that, which I love. Also, you can then pull the strap down like this and you can wear it more as like a shoulder bag or maybe even crossbody. Like it totally would work like that. I'm loving it. Let's just take a look at the inside. It's magnetic closure. And yes, it's very, very, very spacious. There's no marks inside. There's a zipper closure. There's also like a flap here. Definitely is going to hold a lot. I think I was just mostly drawn initially to the color, but then also what sold me was just the fact that I don't see everybody carrying this bag. And I also love how it does have silver hardware. I have a lot of bags with gold hardware, and this particular beigey neutral color is just divine. Like I'm looking at it in the viewfinder, it just looks so pretty. So I'm really, really happy with it. I was honestly scared just cause I don't know. I wasn't sure, but I'm excited. So, okay, I think now I'm gonna cut over to my computer and I'm gonna just share some amazing sales with you guys, just the best of the best in my opinion. So let's just do that. Alrighty, so here is the first website. I actually have quite a few websites and handbags to get through, so I'm gonna go through this pretty quickly. But as I mentioned, Fashion File does have a really good sale going on right now, and they rarely ever have sales. So if you are interested in anything, do it now. But I'll have everything linked in the description box if you're looking for something specific, any codes, any bags that I show. So first, here on Fashion File, you can literally find any designer you want, any bag, any pair of shoes, any accessory. You can just go up here, you can search for what you're looking for, or I actually like to go to the new arrivals section. This is kind of just the section that isn't really picked over yet. If you are looking for something specific, you can actually just go to the search button up here and type what you're looking for. So I did vintage Chanel, and as you can see, there are so many different things that popped up. I just love the look of vintage Chanel because you just don't see it as much, but the quality is so good. And you can, I don't know, there's like earrings here, there's bags. I love this beige medium flap. I really like the jumbo bags with the large CCs. If you're looking for Louis Vuitton, you could type in Louis Vuitton Neverfull, Louis Vuitton Speedy, and you can save so much money on these bags as well. And then don't forget about jewelry. I get a lot of compliments on my Cartier jewelry. Now's the time you could get what you're looking for, and again, save so much money. Next we have Essence, and this is a site you should definitely check out. They are kind of known for having handbags that are very popular on sale, like majorly on sale. So for instance, this Givenchy bag, it's the mini Antigona bag. I actually have this. I love it. It's this beautiful tan color. I kind of have a feeling that by the time this video even goes live, it's going to be out of stock. So again, if you like it, jump on it. And this is another color that is available. It's a beautiful pink color, but it's kind of like a crocodile pattern, and it's 30% off. And then also this other Givenchy bag. I just love the color and kind of the design of it. Givenchy is amazing quality, and it is 35% off. If you are a YSL lover, here is this Saint Laurent Reversible Medium Kate bag, 21% off. I absolutely love the gold chain strap. It's beautiful. And then this Chloe bag, if you are a Chloe fan, they do have some Chloe designs on sale. And then Versace. I'm just a huge fan of Versace bags. These are really on sale, and they are so detailed. They look so expensive. I love, again, the chain details on some of them, and then kind of just the detailed emblem. It just really screams kind of expensive and classy. And then this Valentino bag, it's a rock stud bag. It's 33% off. It's only $854, which, don't get me wrong, it's expensive, but this is such a beautiful bag that's really going to catch the light and be noticeable. Okay, so moving along to Saks Fifth Avenue, the only bag that I found here that I think is really good is this Saint Laurent bag. It's beautiful. This is the only color that's on sale, but still, it's a bag that so many people love. And then I want to move on to Farfetch. Here is another Saint Laurent bag. It's kind of a studded Lou bag. So beautiful. I love the detail. And then this Saint Laurent bag, it's very large. It's kind of like a weekender bag, but I don't know. I was kind of drawn to it, so I thought I would share. And then here is another Saint Laurent. This is the Sac Du Jour bag. This is a very classic bag. I kind of think it's going to go out of stock very soon though. And then really quickly, again on Farfetch, we have the Balenciaga Classic City bags. So they are on sale in several different sizes. I actually have always been drawn to this particular bag. So this is the larger size that's on sale. Then we have this one, which is a little bit smaller, but it does have the gold hardware detail. It's so pretty to me. And then here is a smaller version. So this is more of a handheld, but it does come with a strap that you could make it crossbody. And then again here on Farfetch, we have the Bottega Veneta, the pouch bag, which is super popular. It is 20% off in this really beautiful maroon color, perfect for winter. Moving on to Neiman Marcus, the next few bags are contemporary designers, but really good deals and really beautiful. So this first one is a Kate Spade bag. It's a leather saddle bag. It's just really pretty. It's actually a little bit bigger than what you might expect. I think it's going to hold a decent amount. And then moving on to Tory Burch. There are so many sales on Tory Burch. This one actually does change from a shoulder bag to also a crossbody. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. Moving on to My Teresa. I actually didn't find that many good handbags on sale, but they do have a lot of shoes on sale. So you can check out their designers and narrow them down. I personally am really drawn to these square toe mules that kind of have a heel. I just love square toe. I also love Balenciaga in general. So anyway, just check out their site, narrow things down for what you're looking for. Finally, we have Net-a-Porter or Net-a-Porter, and I just highlighted some wallets for you to consider. So I personally love this Balenciaga line. This is the size that it actually looks like. So this is a great pouch, just something to kind of take every day with you, throw in your bag. And then I also love this particular textured wallet. It's pretty small, but it is 50% off. So if you like mini wallets like myself, you could check that out. And then finally, we have this Versace bag, and oh my gosh, it's 40% off. It's just so detailed. I have a similar Versace bag, and I think it's just so beautiful. And this is what it looks like on the model. I love it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. For all of you handbag lovers out there, another huge thank you to Senrev as well. And I'll have everything that I talked about linked in the description box down below. But happy shopping. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.